Our promise to you is to fulfill the mission of the hospital, which is to improve the quality of life in our community. We made a commitment to the community that if you would take a chance and invest in us, we would return higher quality care, more access to care, more services, better services, and world-class services. And we delivered on the promise.
Our promise to you is to deliver quality neurosurgical care to patients with brain, spine, and peripheral nerve problems. It is a very, very scientific specialty in that only certain things can happen in the way the nervous system is constructed.
We treat each patient promptly and courteously. I enjoy seeing my patients in our community, knowing that I've helped them lead a better life.
This hospital provides me with the tools I need to give you the best possible service. Our staff is highly skilled and trained, and we know how to take care of patients.
It is extremely important for my practice to be associated with the hospital. A lot of my patients have been living in this community for a long time, and they trust this hospital to provide them the medical care.
We spend a lot of time interviewing the patient to find out what their symptoms are. Sleep problems can make the individual very tired, fatigued, and sleepy during the day. Our promise to you is to provide you with excellent sleep services.
You want to be able to give back to society and also to help people. It's a win-win.
I was born here. I was actually born at this hospital. I feel very proud when I see this ER and see the care that patients are getting now.
I'm a pediatrician, but within the practice we have internists and family physicians, so the entire family can get care in one location.
Going into the nursery and seeing a newborn is, it's the highlight of my day. We're with them through all of their big moments. We really get to know them. To me, heaven kind of touches down to earth, the moment of that new baby being born.
I treat patients with spine pain. The techniques that I use are the most sophisticated techniques available in the world.
Family practice is important in caring for the whole family in preventative medicine, to provide those things to keep you healthy.
Slidell Memorial is a great place to practice general surgery. I have worked here since I graduated my residency, and I could not be happier practicing here. We combine the latest technology with the greatest people, and that all adds up to extraordinary patient care here at Slidell Memorial.
Our imaging technology at Slidell Memorial Hospital allows us to get to an accurate diagnosis for each individual patient, but also allows us to do so using as little radiation as possible.
Our promise to you as a physician's network is to coordinate your care from office to hospital to home. We make sure you're followed up with, and we make sure your results are given to you in a timely manner.
The nursing staff at Slidell Memorial is highly educated, highly skilled in caring for you and your family. Our promise to you is that our nursing staff will always provide the most compassionate, personal nursing care in the region. A good nurse cares for the whole person, and that means caring for your body, mind, and spirit.
I became a nurse because I like helping people. I enjoy seeing results. I enjoy what I have helped that person get through. Our staff is from the community. Our patients or our neighbors, our friends, or sometimes even family.
This hospital is a good hospital to work for because we have a team collaboration. When I see a patient walk out of the hospital, I feel great knowing that I was part of improving their life.
The staff here is absolutely amazing. We have great teamwork. I run into my patients outside of the hospital at grocery stores. Some of them come up to me and give me big hugs or ask me how I'm doing and tell me how much better they're doing, and they thank me a million times, and it feels great.
It is extremely fulfilling to see a patient leave the rehab unit because we've worked with them and get them as independent as possible, and then we can say our job is done.
The cardiac rehab program is a certified program
Patients come here and have to learn how to manage stress, follow appropriate diets so that they can take the best care of themselves.
I'm a nurse case manager here at Slidell Memorial Hospital. Our promise to the patient is that they receive quality care in a timely and efficient manner, and that they receive everything possible before they are discharged from the hospital.
Slidell Memorial is a great hospital. They provide quality care, and I get lots of feedback saying that the patient had a good experience at the hospital.
Our promise to you is that we will provide world-class health care at a reasonable cost. We need to be very careful with the public's money so that we can provide new services, such as the Regional Cancer Center, the Emergency Room, and the Heart Center. We know that by providing these new services will be of greater value to the community. Our vision is to be the #1 hospital in the region.
The laboratory is instrumental in the diagnosis and care of the patient. We perform quality control tests on every single test that we do. We perform calibrations on every one of the analyzers. That means that we give you the best possible result on every test we perform.
Everyone in the hospital has a unique and very special role to play in the care of our patients.
Respiratory therapy can range from just a simple breathing treatment to actually life support, which is managing a ventilator. This technology gives us a wide range of being able to think outside the box and ventilate each patient to their own individual needs.
Our pharmacists work hand in hand with the physicians in order to guarantee safety for our patients. Pharmacy robot ensures precision and accuracy in the delivery of medications to our patients in our hospital. Our technology uses barcodes in order to ensure accuracy to make sure our processes are error-free.
As a phlebotomist, the most important thing that we do is to make sure that we are drawing the correct patient by properly identifying the patient. I'm in this profession to help people.
My promise to you is that we will always have available everything necessary for quality patient care.
My promise is for the hospital to be clean and for the patients and the family members to be safe.
Facility services has to make sure that the HVAC system, the air conditioning system, is running at 100% at all times. It is critical for our surgery suites and for our comfort level of our patients.
We have a real good kitchen staff. Everybody works together. We promote teamwork in our kitchen, so we try to get everybody to be on the same page all the time.
I promise to you, you will get the best food in Louisiana, and you can count on that.
I'm the Director of Training and Development. I'm responsible for the nurse educators doing clinical education. I'm also responsible for reporting patient satisfaction and working with the staff and ensuring that they're providing the best care possible.
Our promise to you is to use the latest technology to provide timely and accurate results. Our staff works as if every patient that's here is their mother or their father or a family member. First thing you'll see when you walk in is a smile. At Slidell Memorial, we have the most current technology in Eastern St. Tammany Parish. It's important to the patient because we can perform your procedure more efficiently, we can do it in the safest manner, and provide your physician with a quick diagnosis. Our promise to you is to have the best regional cancer center in the country. Cancer diagnosis is different. It's very scary to people, fear of the unknown. They don't know what to expect. We have the best doctors and the best nurses. We also provide a team approach. Together, we're able to help that patient through their cancer journey.
Volunteering is an opportunity for us as citizens to give back to our community. Sometimes patients just need someone to hold their hand and give them words of encouragement, and that's a big part of what we do here on a daily basis. Our promise to you is to always be there when you need us.
The Foundation supports the hospital by purchasing equipment, investing in technology, and helping to support patient programs. Our promise to you is that the Foundation will continue to support your community hospital in every way possible.
Our promise to you is to be your hospital for life.
Being the CEO at Slidell Memorial Hospital gives me the chance to be passionate about a mission that is focused on the community and not just healthcare delivery. We're providing a culture and an environment where only the best doctors, nurses, and technicians want to work.